everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated full-size SUVs of 2026, the Ford Expedition Max. Now, before you ask, no, it's not getting a full redesign this year, but that doesn't mean it's not worth your attention. In fact, the 2026 model might be the sweet spot between value, capability, and tech. Let's break it all down. Starting with the looks, the 2026 Expedition Max keeps the bold, modern styling introduced in 2025. You've got that sharp new grille, stacked LED headlights, and a full-width light bar across the rear for that premium high-tech look. The split tailgate is still here too. The lower half folds out like a shelf or table, perfect for tailgating or loading gear. And if you're into off-roading, the Tremor trim brings beefy 33-inch all-terrain tires on unique 18-inch wheels, plus skid plates and a lifted suspension for 10.6 inches of ground clearance. This isn't just a pretty face, it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. Step inside, and you'll find a redesigned dashboard featuring a massive 24-inch panoramic display, combining digital gauges and infotainment into one sleek screen. Below it, there's a secondary touchscreen for climate controls and other functions. 3 rows of seating offer space for up to 8 passengers, with plenty of legroom even in the third row. And if you're going for luxury, the Platinum trim brings ventilated and heated leather seats, plus massaging front seats. Yeah, seriously. Tech-wise, Ford's digital experience with Google integration means seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and onboard Wi-Fi. Plus, there's a power sliding center console, super convenient for accessing storage or sliding things around when parked. Under the hood, the Expedition Max sticks with its powerhouse engine, a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6. Base models make 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque, while the high-output version bumps that up to 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet, standard on the Tremor and optional on the Platinum. It's paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive as standard and four-wheel drive available. And if you're looking to tow, whether it's a boat, camper, or trailer, the Expedition Max can pull up to 9,600 pounds with the heavy-duty trailer tow package. That puts it near the top of its class. Safety comes standard with features like forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control, surround view cameras, parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. If you want to take things hands-free, the Blue Cruise system is available on higher trims, offering hands-free driving on compatible highways. There's also Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which makes backing up a trailer as easy as turning a knob. For those who want more than pavement, the Tremor trim is your go-to. With rock crawl mode, trail turn assist, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, it's built to tackle rough terrain without sacrificing comfort. You get 10.6 inches of ground clearance and a tuned suspension that balances trail readiness with a smooth highway ride. Now, about the price, Ford hasn't officially announced it yet, but expect the 2026 Expedition Max to fall right in line with the 2025 model, starting around $65,000 and climbing past $87,000 fully loaded. So, is it worth it? If you need a full-size SUV that can haul people, cargo, and trailers with confidence, all while keeping you connected and comfortable, the answer is yes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another car breakdown. Got questions about the Expedition Max or want to see it in person? Drop them below. I'll see you in the next video.